Hello, dear learner. Welcome to this Life Skills Planet educational production. In this digital lesson, we will study about oil. We will answer the following questions. 1. What is oil? 2. What is soil made up of? 3. What are the uses of oil? 4. What are the characteristics of fertile soil? 5. What is soil erosion? 6. What are the agents of soil erosion? 7. What human activities cause soil erosion? 8. What are various types of soil erosion? And 9. How can we control soil erosion? What is oil? Soil is a component of our environment. It is the surface layer of the earth. Soil supports growth of plants. We grow food and cash crops in the soil. Soil is home to many small animals. What are the various types of soil? There are various types of soil. There is sandy soil, clay soil, and loam soil. Different soils have particles of different sizes. Some are large, others are tiny, while others are of average size. Soils with big particles feel rough or coarse. Soils with fine particles feel smooth. How a type of soil feels is referred to as its texture. What are the characteristics of different soils? What are the characteristics of sandy soils? Sandy soil has large particles. The air spaces in between the particles are also large. It feels rough or coarse. Its texture is rough. It spreads easily. Sandy soil is also known as light soil. Sandy soils do not retain water. They drain very easily. What are the characteristics of clay soils? Clay soil has fine particles. The air spaces in between the particles are also small. It feels smooth. It has a fine texture. Clay soil does not spread easily. Clay soils have poor drainage. They retain too much water. They, therefore, become waterlogged very easily. Areas with clay soils easily flood during heavy rains. What are the characteristics of loam soils? Loam soils have particles of medium size. The air spaces in between the particles is medium. This characteristic allows the soil to drain well. Loam soils are neither rough nor smooth. Loam soils retain an average amount of water. They are suitable for farming. What is soil made up of? Soil is a mixture of many materials. It contains organic matter, which is also known as humus. Other materials that make up soil are rock materials, water, air, and living organisms. The materials that make up soil are called components of soil. What are the uses of soil? Soil supports human, animal, and plant life. We grow crops in the soil. Soil is home to many animals such as earthworms, ants, termites, and moles. We use soil for building and construction of houses and huts. Clay soil is used for making bricks, pots, and energy-saving cooking stoves. Sand is used in constructing buildings. What are the characteristics of fertile soil? Fertile soil supports growth of crops, trees, and other plants. It has humus or organic matter that provides nutrients for crops. Humus helps to hold soil particles together. Fertile soil contains enough water to support growth of plants. Fertile soil is home to living organisms that help in mixing and aerating the soil. The living organisms also help in breaking down dead organic matter. Fertile soil also contains enough air for the living organisms to survive. Soil erosion is the removal of the top fertile soil from one location to another. Soil erosion leaves the land bare. The eroded land becomes unsuitable for growth of plants. What are the agents of soil erosion? Top fertile soil is removed from one location to another by water, wind, or animals. These are known as the agents of soil erosion. Raindrops and running water carry away the top soil. Where land is bare, soil is blown away by wind. The amount of soil that is eroded is determined by the state of the soil. Loose and bare soils are easily carried away. Soils in steep slopes also get carried away easily by wind and running water. There are some human activities that cause soil erosion. They include the following. 1. Cutting down trees. This is also known as deforestation. 2. Overgrazing. Animals loosen the soil as they walk. The loose soil is then easily carried away by wind or water. The erosion leaves the ground bare. Other human activities that cause soil erosion include the following. 3. Poor farming methods. When humans clear bushes and cultivate on hilly areas, the soil gets exposed to agents of soil erosion. 4. Mining and construction activities also expose soil to water and wind. What are various types of soil erosion? The main types of erosion include the following. 1. Splash erosion. 2. Sheet erosion. 3. Rill erosion. And 4. Gully erosion. In splash erosion, raindrops hit bare soil and splash the particles onto the surface. In sheet erosion, topsoil is washed away over a wide area of sloping land by flowing water or wind. Sheet erosion is a form of landslide. Sheet erosion is not easily noticed. What is rill erosion? Rills are shallow channels that run down a slope. Rills form in open areas where the ground is not covered with vegetation. With time, rills develop into gullies. Gullies are deep channels that take the shape of letter V or letter U. Gullies form in steep slopes, where the soil is loose and it is not covered with vegetation. Gullies often develop from rills. How can we control soil erosion? Planting trees controls soil erosion. Planting cover crops controls soil erosion. Constructing gabions controls soil erosion. Practicing controlled grazing controls soil erosion. Digging terraces controls soil erosion. Plowing and cultivating along contours controls soil erosion.